Asher.
Chef Asher.
Hi, Chef Asher.
We're making a cake today.
Good job. Can you tell us what are you putting in your cake?
Eggs, flour, sugar, and baking soda, and cooking powder.
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Okay, Asher. Let's start with
Egg.
Okay.
Watch this.
That's not the right way to break it. Asher, break it properly. Oh my god.
Look at
Okay.
this.
Good job.
Add sugar.
All of it. Pick up the cup.
Okay.
Carefully pick up the whole cup. Don't spill.
And watch.
Dal dein. Good job. Good job.
I love sugar. Like, nom.
No more.
We're putting the oil here. And
How much oil do you have here, Asher?
1 oil. And we
1/4 cup of oil, Asher. Let's put it in the batter.
okay.
Carefully.
Ta-da.
Good job. And do you want to put in vanilla too?
Yeah.
Put 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. It's 1/2 teaspoon. Yes. Good. Good job, Asher.
And more.
That's good enough, Asher. Are you sure?
You're not sure.
Okay. Is it yummy? Do you like it?
We're putting the baking powder into the flour.
Okay, please put it.
Okay. Too much of it.
All of it. This is 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
Now we have to pour all of this.
This is 1 1/4 cup of flour.
And look at this, what I'm making. Ta-da!
Oh, don't make too much mess. Good job, Asher. Oh, be careful. Oh, it's everywhere.
It's empty.
Good job. No.
We're putting in this
Flour
flour
mixture into
into the
egg
bowl.
mixture.
Ta-da!
Good job.
Woo! We have to pour it inside here.
What is this?
This is milk with yellow color.
Okay, put it in there.
Ta-da!
Oh, yeah, look. Asher, now put it in the sink, please.
Put it in the sink.
Yes, thank you. Now mix it, please.
Okay.
Oh my god. We put half of the batter into another bowl.
We're gonna put two apple cocos powder inside here.
Okay.
Now all of it.
Yeah, put it.
Hi everybody, I made a chocolate tornado.
Now pour this tornado. Oh my god. Actually, don't do that. It's splashing. Pour it in the mold. Pour it in the mold. First. Oh, no, no, no. Not like this. Not like this. Jaldi, 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 jaldi.
I like it. Wait.
Okay.
I like making a mess.
I know that. And now make an 8. Good job. Oh, that's a nice 8. Look.
Hey everyone, it's done. And let's bake it in the oven.
Okay, at 180 degrees.
Okay.